What do people do that don't have money and influence or advocates? What do?
Die.
They suffer. They live in constant pain. They go bankrupt, and yes, sometimes they die. This must end.
When I was asked to do this, I immediately thought of a patient that I had seen 6 times over a 10-day period. A gentleman who was bankrupt from a heart attack he had had 2 years ago and was having daily migraines that we couldn't stop. He didn't have any insurance, didn't have any money, couldn't see a neurologist, and all I could do was treat him in the emergency room for a short period of time. When he left, he told me, "See you tomorrow." And I did, for 6 days. And I'm here to tell you this is something we need to fix. We cannot keep this up.
But if small businesses are the backbones of our economy, why are we breaking their backs, not providing them with health insurance? Why are we killing off their employees where they can't get health insurance to have access to health insurance? You know, a lady told me today, she says, "You know what, Mike, I just want to let you know something. My insurance premiums are higher than the Social Security payments that my mom receives." And if that is happening, don't you know that if we want a healthy America, that we're going to have to unify and tell people and let them know and stand strong, because we need health reform if we're going to have a healthy America.
One of the reasons I'm so proud to be working with all of you is that we have, during these last 3 months, conducted ourselves in a spirit like Senator Kennedy. This is a sad time for our country. It's a sad time for supporters of health insurance reform, but it's also a time for us to reaffirm our commitment to getting health insurance reform done this year.
The battle for Medicare back in the day, when they tried to pass health care for children, same issue, same misinformation. We stand here tonight as part of a great tradition, and like those battles for justice, we're going to win this battle as well. And we know President Obama is going to stand with us. We know our friends in labor. We know working families. And with you here in this audience tonight staying strong, we're going to get health reform for the people of this state and the people of this country. Stay strong.
But let me tell you what I need from all of you. I need your voices. Because right now, the folks who are getting their faces on TV and their names in the media are the few who are making up stories, distorting the truth, and trying to scare Americans away from what everybody wants, which is health reform. So I need your voice, not 1 time louder, but 2 or 3 times louder than it already is.